Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, and take a look at this beautiful Cummins truck I have today. This is a 2011 Ram 2500 SLT 4-wheel drive. Of course, this has a 6.7 liter Cummins Diesel. This is a crew cab, short bed, just a beautiful truck. It's got a lift kit on it, 37-inch Nitto Ridgegrappler tires, XD wheels, just a beautiful truck. Got the pocket style fender flares, factory tow package, bed liner, power sliding rear window. You've got the smoked third brake light. You've got the smoked LED tail lights on both sides. 4-inch exhaust. This truck has DPF and EGR deleted. Sounds amazing. 37 1250 R18. You've got the 18-inch XD wheels. You've got the 37-inch Nitto tires that are brand new. This truck has been calibrated for the tire size. So, with these 37s, your speedometer is correct. Big tow mirrors, smoked cab lights, smoked front headlights, tow hooks, chrome bumpers and grille, LED light bar, this is just a nice clean truck. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. This truck is an SLT, so it's very nicely equipped. You've got all your full power options, factory brake controller, tilt, cloth seats, 6-passenger seating. You've got the middle console there that does flip up. Everything is in beautiful shape. Very, very clean. All the carpets are in great shape. There are no odors in the interior of this truck. It's just really, really nice. Cruise control. This truck has 137,768 miles with 4,144 engine hours. The only light that's on the dash is the tire pressure light. There are no sensors in these wheels and tires, but again, it is calibrated for the tire size. CD player with auxiliary input. There's all your climate controls, factory exhaust brake, tow haul mode, light tire load. Your 4-wheel drive switch is right here. You've got cup holders down here, and then two 12-volt outlets, one right here, one right here. Plenty of storage in the center console. Your power sliding rear window switch is right here in your overhead. Driver rear door panel looks great. Again, the rear seats, they are very, very clean, just like the fronts. The whole interior of this truck is very nice. Again, as well as the exterior. Just an all-around really nice truck. You've got storage right there that's under the seats, and then you've got these two storage consoles on both sides and the floorboards. Passenger rear door panel looks great. The headliner's in great shape, no rips or tears. Front passenger door panel, again, looks perfect. Passenger seat is in great shape, no rips or tears in it either. The dash looks great. You've got two glove boxes with the SLT and above trim levels. We've got the books, everything right there in the truck too. 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. This truck is EGR DPF deleted. You've got a Banks forward air intake. You've got an AFE intake port. It's got newer batteries in the truck. It does have EFI live tuning. My name's John Rollins. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing, I take trades, and I have nationwide shipping if you're out of state. Thank you.